In the next episode, all the separate conflict will move toward one major confrontation, but the truth will still arrive with a final unexpected twist. Aras will receive a message saying that his brother is alive, but he has been searching under the wrong name. The sender will demand the original hospital bracelet in exchange for a complete adoption file. Aras does not have the bracelet because Tuman secretly kept it. When Aras tells Layla about the message, she realizes Tuman may be hiding more than anger. Then he speaks to Tuman and confesses him that keeping the bracelet will not protect him from the truth. He finally gives it to Aras, but instead on joining the meeting, Aras agrees, and for the first time they travel together without fighting. Hakan follow them to protect both boys. Will Sibnam follow Hakan because she feared the person behind the message? The meeting takes place in an abandoned seaside clinic where records from the old hospital were stored. Sarhad appears alive and reveals that he sent the message because he needed all the main players in one place. He explained that the bracelet belonged to Demi, but the boy registers as Demi after the accident was switched before the adoption was completed. This created a terrifying possibility. Tuman may carry Demi's memories and scars. The official records were deliberated, mixed with another child identity. Aras became furious and accused Sarhad of creating another puzzle. Sarhad answered that the confession was designed to make the brothers doubt each other forever. He then played a recording in which Aras' mother says both boys have a care medical maker that cannot be easily changed in paperwork. A fresh test can reveal the truth before they can leave. Sibnam arrives and admits she knows Tuman was connected to the accident. She knows Tuman was, but never know whether he truly damaged. She says she resisted him because she was ordered to keep the surviving witness close. Hakan demands to know who gave that order. The clinic lights suddenly go out and someone set fire to the record room. Aras and Tuman become trapped on opposite sides of a metal door. Aras risks his life to break through and save Tuman, repeating the childhood moment when he tried to hold on to his brother after the crash. This action unlocked Tuman's clearest memory. Aras shouting Dami's name and begging him out not to go outside. Tuman tells Aras that he remembers him, but he still wants medical proof.